Now I'm going to show the overall progress here. Okay, overall progress. This way I'm going to do the following. I'm going to type here sum of this divided by count this and this, and I'm going to insert a bar chart like this, and I'm going to do the following. First of all, I'm going to we have like this, and I'm going to okay, so that we have this. Then I'm going to decide not make it smaller like this. Okay, enlarge this area to occupy as much as possible. Like this. Okay, here I can decide to have now text option. Okay, I make this. We're gonna change this, and then I'm gonna move this here over that. Okay, so I'm going to now from a pointer here, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, here we have the progress. I can also put a border. Now we have, okay, you can see here now we have the overall progress, and we already so we're gonna increase this. You see 14%, and then here 13. So this is going to change automatically. Okay. Doing very few things. Okay, we have a Gantt chart here, and from the Gantt chart we created our milestone list. We created this, we created this, we created this. Okay. And now we're going to another step. We are going to introduce other two concepts: risk management and resource planning.